Mons Touch Sweater Garden Limited is a Bangladesh-based garment manufacturer specializing in knitted sweaters and apparel. The company, established around 2021, focuses on export products like jerseys, pullovers, cardigans, and babies' garments made from cotton, man-made fibers, and other textiles. Its office and factory are at Nayabari Road, Satish, Hanji, Gazipur, Bangladesh, a key hub for the country's sweater industry. Managing Director, MD Tajul Islam, Marketing Director, MD Arshad Mahmood Products and Exports. They export jerseys, pullovers, and babies' garments with recent shipments involving suppliers such as Queen South Textile Mills Limited. Has a yearly production capacity of 60,000 dozen sweaters. This equates to about 720,000 individual sweater pieces annually, based on their reported machinery 61 machines and workforce 300 total employees. Recent shipment data shows exports valued at around 1.2 million United States dollars to buyers like Cofamel Sociedade de Vestuario SA in 2024. With smaller volumes in 2025, for example 26.89 thousand United States dollars. This suggests modest revenue from international trade, likely in the low millions annually, but no comprehensive turnover is reported. As a small-scale sweater factory with 61 machines and 300 employees producing 60,000 dozen yearly, its financials align with typical Gazipur garment operations focused on exports rather than disclosed turnovers.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.